Hello, matcha lovers like me. Well, if you like matcha, then I'm sure that you will appreciate what I'm about to share with you today. I have just come back from Japan, and I was so fortunate that I was able to meet Tea Master. I would call him a tea master, although he is quite modest in saying that he's still a student. Let me take you to Japan and watch my tea master and find out what you are doing wrong.
First, make tea bowl warm. Then tea whisk make wet. はい。はい。720円が750円ぐらいちょうどかな。
今ちょっとお人が少なそうやなと思って買いました。あ、もういいです。これで結構です。
How much water did you put?
Around 40 to 50 milliliter.
Okay.
And the tea is around 2 grams. Then this action, I will later more faster, but this action faster than this action. I do it. Then a little bit lift up.
Wow.
You make like a cappuccino.
Wow, that is amazing. So I was told we have to hold
Yeah,
the
that's
bottom
right.
of the
That's right.
And it looks amazing, like a matcha cappuccino.
How about
That is absolutely amazing.
it's okay? Right. 2 hits. Okay.
For the other one, you didn't strain it, you didn't sift. First one,
First one? First one is already I
sifted.
prepare
Okay.
this.
Beautiful.
Please.
Okay. So I was told that big bubbles for matcha tea is not great.
Not good. Not
Okay,
good. Not
it should
good
be-
skill.
Not a good skill. So if you're making bubbly tea, not a good skill.
I don't want to drink bubbly tea.
Yeah,
For
should
me,
be
tea is
foamy,
better.
foamy tea, like this one.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, like this one is a foamy
Yes.
tea, no
Yes.
large bubbles.
No, but
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this one has got umami flavor. More umami. Yeah.
but we think it is very bitter.
Bitter. A little bit bitter, yeah. But I love this more of it. Delicious.
Okay.
Thank you. Koicha is 4 heaps.
Yes.
So this is what you mean by kneading.
Need, yes.
So you don't.
Not whip.
Okay. With Koicha, you don't see a foam.
Never foam.
Japan. Yeah.
Oh, it's strong,
American
but it's sweet. You take the sweetness. Wow. Very good.
It's really like oil. Infamous.
Thank you. So good. It's 1 gram.
1 gram.
It's like a heaping, right?
One heap.
Right.
And the 2 heaps I use.
Okay. So this is the better one.
This is for a traditional idea.
Traditional.
Recently, many people do like this.
And it's not
But
1 gram.
it is, I cannot be satisfied in this amount of tea. Too light,
Too light.
not tasty.
Okay.